Alright, got the upgrade. I gave this thing a go, but I don't trust it. It's 5 years old, it's a bit weathered. And that's all that I had on there, basically the brain control on the e-bike for 5 years. So now I got this bad boy here. I'm not even gonna unzip this because there's a mess of shit in here with a big controller. That 12 MOSFET compared to the 9 MOSFET is a bit bigger. But yeah, I gotta fit my toolkit in there. And thinking about putting that bag to hold the chain, but we'll see. Do not build these things. These things are dangerous, man. So the 54 volt upgrade, yeah, put a kickstand on there. Gotta make sure the feet cleared on the pedals. But she's looking sweet. Yup. That's the sw900 controller here. Kind of mounted, but I don't want it hard mounted really. Get the button here to control it, and that's it. Freaking turn that bad boy on. I got it somewhat set up. I got to figure out the settings, how to get everything, the speed and all of that, and the voltage, see what happens. But otherwise it's working, man. That's a good thing. Throttle, the pedal assist. Just fine tuning it while I ride is going to be the ticket. I got all the controls set up the way I like. Got my lights all set up. This is a good little rechargeable light. And this one takes the little button batteries. But having the controls where you need them is kind of tight. That's why I really didn't want this big thing on here, but so it's good. Now all that's left is to the throttle. Taking a look here, see, next thing I'm probably gonna get is a new rim and spokes, because 5 years I beat the crap out of it. I actually had hit a curb a couple times and almost split the rim, had to file it down. Figures I hit it right where the seam is too, you know. Yeah, I got the Schrader valve, but this one, the new wheel had the I forget what it's called, but they sell adapters at Walmart, so I just stuck one on. You get two for like $3 or something. So I stuck one on there to keep it a Schrader valve. Yeah, the kickstand when the wheel flops over is a good thing to have on in the right spot, so, because it kind of weighs a bit with the battery up higher before I had it low. So we're gonna see. I had to stretch out my comfort zone here with this new seat post too. And that's a 31.5 millimeter seat post with a 30 millimeter offset, just to get farther back because the bike is actually shorter. Got new fender, but I kind of like my old one. I don't know about putting one on the back yet. I'm probably just going to mount something up under the rack to keep the splash off of my butt. But yep. Everything is looking ready to rip.